Hey YouTube, thought I'd make a quick video on this after struggling with it for a bit. If you're putting the ODI lock-ons, and they're still sticking a little, hopefully it'll wear in a little bit. If you're doing the ODI lock-ons and it just sticks and holds, loosen your throttle cable, run that all the way in there, and then it'll work again. Leaving this thing out in the sun and put new grips on it, make the rest of the bike look like shit. I guess it's time to do some new plastics, some graphics. Thanks for watching.